Hey, how's everyone doing? This is Oz with Oz Mechanics, and on today's video I have my niece's car right here. So my niece Priscilla, right there, she is wanting to fix up her headlights. So she was pricing them out and they're too expensive. So today we are going to fix up her headlights. We're basically going to restore them. I already did the passenger side headlight, and as you can see, looks nice and beautiful. So right now Priscilla's going to show you how to get this to this on today's video. Alright, cool. So what we're going to need to get this going, we're going to need a bucket of water and some sandpaper. So the sandpaper I'm using right here, this is a square one, but they're sponges, and we have two different types of sandpaper. So we're gonna have different grades. This is gonna be a 320, so this is gonna be a lot grittier, and then we have a 1000 grade right here, and that's gonna be less grittier. We're gonna do wet sanding on this so we don't burn up the actual headlight. So we're gonna actually show you how to do this, and to finish it off we're gonna be using a little bit of clear coat right here. So like I said, this is what we have, and this is what we're going to right here. So let's get this started so you can see how this process is being done. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off with the 320, and we're going to wet this up right here, and then we're going to start cutting into the surface right there. And you can see right off the bat, as soon as we start using that 320, we're going to start cutting through it. So we're going to let my niece go through this, and you're going to start seeing the differences. But make sure when you're doing this that you do keep the sandpaper wet. So keep on going into your bucket, and you're going to keep on stuffing this up. Alright, look at that. Check that out right there. And that's just by using that 320. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and use the finer sandpaper, take off all the little small imperfections, and my niece is going to show you how to do that. Alright, so we're good right here. She already did the wet sanding with 1000 grit. So now what we're going to do, we're going to clean this up, make sure it's nice and dry. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to go ahead and prep this up. We're just going to go ahead and just cover this up right here. And you can use any clear coat. We just bought this from AutoZone. So on this right here, we're just going to go ahead, make sure that you shake the can, and about 16 inches away, just give it a nice clear coat. Alright, so that's the first coat right there. As you can see the difference, look at that. These headlights were about I would say about $50–60 each. And look at this. Looking brand new. So there you go. My niece did this all by herself, We're just gonna put a couple of different, I think maybe 2-3 more coats, and it's gonna completely finish up. So if you do like this video, don't forget to put a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that little notification bell to get all the brand new videos coming out from Miles Mechanics. Say goodbye, Priscilla.
Bye.
Y'all take care.